JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, Swanee, Georgia. It's about 9 o'clock. We've got a 4-area job we're going to knock out. We've got a men's closet over there. I say men's because it's a lot smaller than the women's closet. They found us on Google, which is very common. There's only one spot in the house that I could find, which was, there's the other secondary bedroom, which was in this corner over here. It's the only spot she mentioned being an issue. She did say there was a couple spots in the master where their dog or cat, I forget, their furry family member, their 4-legged family member threw up in here, but she tried to tell me where it was, but I don't see any indication, so they obviously did a pretty good job getting it up. Not to mention that this is not light colored carpet, so stuff doesn't show up as well. The lighting is not very good in here, as you can see, and the sun's not out, so it's not that bright, so this can't see that well. And there's one other area in the basement which is actually large. It's a really large area, but there's no spots in there. I think she said the house was 2 years old. Like, so this is a move out. They sold the house situation, so they're, I guess, cleaning the carpet was in the contract, or they volunteered to do it. I don't know, but we'll take care of it. So yeah, this is a nice large room here. This actually could be 2 rooms, but the carpet even smells new in here. They said this was the playroom. So, like I said, it's about 9 o'clock. We'll knock these 4 areas out and shoot a quick after video. As you can see, it's 9:40. This job took about 30 minutes. It was a $160 job. Nothing to see down in the basement. It looks the same. I will run upstairs for the one spot in the guest bedroom. Wanted to reiterate, this is not a typical job. We do get a lot of jobs like this. They're quick and easy, very profitable, which is the jobs, the clients we teach our guys to go after, to target, to market to. So fans on to help with the drying, even though it will be dry and I had to vacuum, obviously. But we do teach people this business. You know, I used about a gallon of cleaner on these 4 areas. As you can see, the little spot over here is gone. We do not use a truck mount. If you've not watched any of our other videos, we do not use a truck mount. We use a low moisture process. I know the truck mount guys can't stand that, but we don't want the expense, the maintenance, or the hassle of a truck mount. We have, there's a time and a place for truck mounts, and we encourage those guys. We're happy to send that kind of work to those guys. We don't want to do that kind of work. We want to do the fun, easy, profitable stuff. So, like I said, we do put people in the carpet cleaning business. Our operations manual and marketing manual, as well as where to get all the equipment we use, training, etc., is available for only $500. It's 350 plus pages. Well worth it if you're thinking about the business. Like I said, we don't use a truck mount. We know the truck mount guys hate us, but there's enough business for everybody, and we're happy to go after the fun, easy, profitable stuff. So you can get in touch with us, omgfloorcare.com or 404-500-9853. You can call or text that number. We are here to help you get into the business. Like I said, it is very profitable. Low cost of ownership, work from home, set your own schedule. The most important thing is setting your own schedule, managing your own time, and you can set the charge what you like, what you feel comfortable doing, and what kind of profit you want to make. So again, JR 404-500-9853, and always be kind. Take care.